This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have what matters, your Apple ID and a trusted device. Start by opening settings on your iPhone or go to Icloud. Apple, com on a computer. Tap your name or choose Sign In, then enter your Apple ID email. Once done, Apple will prompt for a password or send a two-factor authentication code to a trusted device or phone number. Make sure you can receive that code before proceeding, because without it you cannot access password recovery options. Once you select Forgot Apple ID or Password, you'll be guided through identity verification. You may receive a verification code on a trusted device or be asked for a recovery key if you set one up. If those aren't available, start account recovery. This can take days but preserves security. After verification clears, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Choose something unique and strong. You should update it on all your devices, and in Passwords or Keychain, now sign back into iCloud on every device. Enter your new password and accept any prompts to merge or replace data. Make sure iCloud Drive, Photos, and Backups show as active so data continues syncing. If a device still won't accept the password, restart it and re-enter credentials. Sometimes cached tokens need clearing. If you're locked out despite following steps, use account recovery or contact Apple support. Explain the verification methods you attempted so they can escalate and restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.